Hello students, you are welcome to 10th standard. Today we are going to start with our new book, that is your supplementary reader, and name of the book is Footprints Without Feet. So the first chapter of this book is A Triumph of Surgery, written by James Herriot. It is literally interesting to know about this writer James Herriot. He is a British writer as well as he is a veterinary surgeon. See, this combination is a very rare combination. A veterinary doctor and he is a doctor. He is a writer. So let us know more about Dr. Herriot. James Alfred Waite is his name and he is known by the pen name James Herriot. He was a British veterinary surgeon and a doctor born in Sunderland, England. Waite lived in Glasgow during his childhood and teenage years. After graduation from Glasgow Veterinary College in 1939, Waite moved back to England and was a veterinarian in Yorkshire Dales for almost 50 years. He is best known for his writing a series of 8 books set in 1930s to 1950s. Yorkshire Dales about animals and their owners, which began with If Only They Could Talk, first published in 1970. There have been multiple television and film adaptations of Waite's books, including in 1975 film All Creatures Great and Small, and the BBC television series of same name, which ran for total 90 episodes. So it's really interesting to learn a lesson from one of his book. When you will know about more works of James Herriot, their names itself tells us the person James Herriot, his nature, his amiability towards the animals. See some names of his books. All Creatures Great and Small, All Things Wise and Wonderful, The Lord God Made Them All, For the Love of All Creatures, If Only They Could Talk, James Herriot's Dog Stories. These names tells us who the person Herriot was as a human being. He was friendly, his heart was full of compassion and love for all types of creatures. I have given some photos of him. Whenever I had tried to do some collection of his photos, that time I just found his photos, most of the photos are with different types of animals. That was literally interesting. Now one photo, last photo I have given of him, it is quoted. See, if having a soul means being able to feel love and loyalty and gratitude, then animals are better off than a lot of humans. Really beautiful quote. It tells us a lot. Okay, if you say that you have soul, a person with soul means he has a lot of love, he has a lot of loyalty and gratitude, and all these qualities we find in animal and sometimes not in human beings. Students, literally I feel pity on that elephant that you might have read the news just before few days at Kerala. How the female elephant was killed by human beings. Okay, so just recollect that thing and it will tell us that sometimes human being forget all this kindness and mercy on animals. Students, we should never, never, never forget this is the only one living planet, this earth we have got, and we are sharing this planet with all other creatures on this. Okay, they are part of this planet, and as we show our right to be on this planet, at the same sense they also have the right to live their life peacefully on this planet. So we should not forget their share too. We can't be dominant, though we have got intellectual powers more than them. But we should not forget that we are sharing this planet with all creatures, all animals, all plants and trees on this earth. So let us go towards the story. It's very interesting story. It is a, we can say, humoric story. How excessive things make humor, and how excessive things make problem to the animals. See, the characters of the story we will see. Narrator. Narrator is the writer Dr. Harriet himself, and we know he is a veterinary surgeon. Mrs. Pumphrey, she is a rich and emotional lady. Tricky, Tricky is the pet dog. So this story consists of these three important characters. Now the story opens with the line that is, I was really worried about Tricky this time. I had pulled up my car when I saw him in the stress with his mistress, and I was shocked at his appearance. He had become hugely fat, like a bloated sausage with a leg at each corner. His eyes bloodshot and rheumy, started straight ahead, and his tongue lolled from his jaws. The story opens with the appearance of the dog Tricky. Okay, the doctor has pulled up his car when he saw the Tricky, the pet dog of Mrs. Pumphrey, with her, and he is shocked with his appearance this time. How is his appearance? This is very fat dog, obese child as looks. Okay, how does obese children look? They are very fat, and even they can't walk and they can't move properly because of their obesity. The same condition is of the Tricky. When the doctor says he is worried about the dog. See, how does he look? He had become hugely fat, like a bloated sausage with a leg at each corner. The narrator says that he was having a bloated means swallowed like sausage. It is like a swallowed meat of each corner. His eyes was bloodshot and rheumy. His eyes was red and they were watery eyes. Okay, straight ahead, and his tongue lolled from his jaws. He has a big tongue and it was hanging from his jaw, says the doctor. And Mrs. Pumphrey came to the doctor and she was explaining. What she was explaining? She said, he was so listless, Mr. Harriet. He seemed to have no energy. I thought he must be suffering from malnutrition. So I have been giving him some little extra between meals to build him up. Some malt and cod liver oil and bowl of Horlicks at night to make him sleep. Nothing much really. How does Miss Pumphrey explains about his obesity? When the doctor is looking at the dog with a surprise, Pumphrey understood what does he wants to say. And what does she say? I thought that he was not having much movements and he is feeling sick. He did not had any energy. So this Miss Pumphrey, what did she started? She started to give him some extra diet. And in that extra diet, what does she provide him? She provides him some malt, that is the meat, and cod liver oil, and even a bowl of Horlicks at night to make him sleep. And in the mid time, between two meals, she is giving all these things to him. So now what will be the reaction? He will grow his obesity. That's it. But Mrs. Pumphrey, she did not understand that she is providing the material to the dog that is increasing his obesity. And out of love, out of compassion, she is worried that why my dog is not moving quick movements. Is he feeling weak? So she is providing him much, but dog is feeling obese and he is not able to move because of his obesity. Okay, so first point I have given you in these notes, that Tricky and his 5-star treatment. Literally the dog who is been provided with a wardrobe and different types of clothes, that is coats in the sense he is having different types of coats in different types of weather conditions, that winter coat we have, sun coat we have, these types of coat this dog has been provided. He has separate wardrobe of his clothes and collars, and he has different bowls for different types of meals, and he has different types of a lot of toys he has. So he has got luxurious life. He has been given treatment of a 5-star hotel, like 5-star hotel. So literally he is a lucky dog, but at the same time he is obese out of excessive love by Mrs. Pumphrey. So Mrs. Pumphrey's pampering. How does she pamper? Pumphrey is a symbolic name. She is pampering about the dog. Okay, pampering to the dog. She is feeding him excessively by chocolate cakes, juice, eggs, wine, etc. And at the same time, what was his duty? When she is feeding him excessive things, she might have been taken the dog to the exercise, but she has not done that. Okay, she has ignored all the things of exercise, and that is the reason that Tricky become over fat and passive. One more reason for his obesity, that is from Tricky's side. What is that? Tricky is very greedy dog. He can't stop eating while provided. That means Mrs. Pumphrey went on feeding him, and Tricky dog went on eating the things, and at the same time he did not do any exercise, and he has become a patient of obesity. The doctor many times he has advised Mrs. Pumphrey to take him to exercise, but how did she ignore? She says that her gardener who used to take him, who was given duty to take him to exercise, he is not well. He has some back pain. So recently it has been stopped. Okay, and nowadays he is not doing any exercise. In this way, she has just ignored to take dog to the exercise, and he is overfed, and the result is the dog has become the patient of obesity. And doctor knows, if she continues with all these things, one day Mrs. Pumphrey is going to come to my hospital with the patient Tricky. Okay, and same thing is happened. Tricky became sick one day. Okay, and Tricky's condition was worsened. He stopped eating and started vomiting. Mrs. Pamphry thought that literally he is not well and he is sick and he is very serious. So hurriedly she has brought the dog. She has told all these things to the doctor, and he is vomiting. His eyes has become red and remy, means watery eyes. Now see, next slide we will go towards next. Tricky's treatment in surgery. So when Mrs. Pamphry come for consultation to the doctor, he has suggested that Tricky has to be at the hospital for 15 days. He has to go through a surgery. Actually, it is very tricky consultation, we know. When you will read the entire story, you will go through how he has tackled with Mrs. Pamphry, who was overfeeding out of love to the Tricky. He tells Mrs. Pamphry that he needs a treatment, and that is a surgery. Actually, here the name surgery is not actual physical surgery or operation, but it is different type of operation. That means a mission, a heavy task that we take in hand and make it successful. That is the mission he has taken in hand, that he wanted to bring Tricky on the common life, that is a strong dog, okay, muscle dog. So he tell Mrs. Pamphry that your dog has to be kept in hospital for 15 days and then only he can be recovered, otherwise not. So Mr. Harriet took Tricky to his hospital, and when he was taking Tricky to hospital, that scene in the story is also very funny as well as emotional, because when he is bringing the dog to the hospital through his car, that time Mrs. Pamphry has become much emotional. She is shedding tears, as well as other family members and their maids are shedding tears because they are parting from the dog, their darling dog. Okay, and what is more fun, that where is the humor, that Mrs. Pamphry has provided with all the things with the dog, and she has just put all those things in his car, doctor's car. So what are those things? His different types of coats, okay, his cushions, different types of cushions, and his drugs and blanket, and all those things are provided with Tricky. And when doctor thinks that now no more things can be put in my car, that time he has started with the car. That time the mistress of Tricky, she has said goodbye with very unhappy face. Okay, so somewhere it is funny as well as emotional scene. He did not when dog reached to the hospital, what type of treatment this dog has this doctor has given to dog, that he did not given any meal for 2 days. When dog reached to the hospital, he did not play with other dogs, neither they found him interesting. See, he has taken to the veterinary hospital, means it is supposed that there are different types of animals in the hospital. Now our darling Tricky has to be live with them. Now he doesn't show any interest to play with other dogs. Even other dogs doesn't show any interest in our Tricky. Okay, and third day, and he has been gone hungry for 2 days. He has been given only water and not any other food. So third day, when Tricky was shown some interest in other dogs and he was moved little, that time doctor has observed that doctor has given food to other dogs, and hastily, as in dog style, you know, they have taken all the food, but any bowl of food was not given to Tricky. He is just observing, and when other dogs they finish their food and run away, that time our Tricky goes and he has licked the empty food bowls of others. That shows, means doctor understood that now he will take some interest in food now, because he has kept hungry for 2 entire days. Next day he was served with food with other dogs. Gradually he started playing and enjoying with other dogs. Okay, so he has been friendly with other dogs and started to play with them. Shows that Tricky was recovering from his obesity. On the other hand, see through what condition Mrs. Pumphrey might been gone through. She is such a caring and emotional for her dog. Okay, doctor tells us in his story that when this treatment was going on, that time, many a time, dozens of times for a day, she was making rounds and rounds to the hospital, and she was again and again asking to the doctor, is he recovering, is he okay, you know. And at the same time, even she was asking, are his cushions changed, are his coats changed, are his coats are put properly to his body, and all these fully questions she was asking, and doctor did not take any interest in all these questions. He just went on telling her that he is recovering, not to be worried. That time she was little happy that her darling pet dog Tricky was recovering fast. Okay, Dr. Harriet did not reply to Mrs. Pumphrey's queries about coats and bowls, but told her that Tricky was recovering fast. She started, then when she listened that he is recovering, what fun she has started now. See, she started to send him different types of eatables. That is, she started sending eggs and wine for him, for her speedy recovery. And it is literally funny. The person, the dog, the patient of obesity, he has been provided with eggs and meat and wine. That is literally a fun. Okay, so what, Dr. Harriet, what happened with this food now? Literally Dr. Harriet provided all those food to the dog? No. Mr. Harriet and his partner enjoyed all those food and did not send that food to Tricky. In this way, their meals and their dinner become happy dinner, because Mrs. Pumphrey went on continuously sending all those types of food for Tricky. Now let us go for last slide, Mrs. Pumphrey's happiness. Mrs. Pumphrey was asked to take her dear dog from hospital after 15 days. Pumphrey was asked to take Tricky back home. And what type of excitement, what type of happiness, ecstasy it can be, we can understand. She was very happy to see hard, muscled, flexible and normal dog. She was very happy to see that her dog can make quick movements now. Okay, so when both of them see each other, the dog and Mrs. Pumphrey, both of them were very excited. Okay, the dog just jumped in her lap, her face. You know what is the reaction of happy dogs when they see their masters and mistress again, reunion of mistress with the pet dog Tricky. Okay, that is also very emotional scene in the story. and she becomes very happy. And Mrs. Pamphry has taken the things that surgery is done on the dog. Okay, she does not know that what type of surgery it was, what type of treatment doctor actually given. What was the treatment that he was kept hungry for 2 days. He was just provided with water.